To test the PC connection, just go back to your PC. You're going to want to open up your Windows Media Player. Go ahead and have that open. You're going to want to go to your library on the top there, hit Media Sharing, and it should pop up with your Xbox here, and you should click Allow and OK. Now if your Xbox doesn't pop up automatically, it's because you don't have your services running. They're not started. So the way to double check that is go to your administrative tools. I'll show you the long way. Go to Control Panel, Administrative Tools, Services, and then here you want to make sure these two services are running. There's actually three, but these two are the main. The Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service, you want that set to automatic and started. On here it'll look something like that, so you can see it. The next one is the Windows Firewall Internet Connection Sharing Service. Sorry about that. That one's also started and automatic. The third one I was going to tell you about is the plug and play. Where is that? Right here, the plug and play. This one also has to be started and automatic. And once those are all started and automatic, you can close that out. Close this out. And now your Xbox should pop up if it hasn't before. So click Allow. And if it does now, you want to go to your settings. You want to click All Ratings. All Ratings. I'm going to type in, that's test 221. That was the number. Tried doing this video a couple times. I didn't do it 221 times, but try to do it a couple times to get all the little bugs out. But just to show that it's a fresh network, type in test. Or type in whatever you want it to show up as. I'm just going to put test 12. That number, I don't know. So you guys can check. I can't make that number up. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Okay. Alright. From this point, your router should have already been restarted. Every time you port forward, you should restart. So I don't know if I forgot to mention that in the last video. I'll probably have it in the side description or something. But yeah, go back to your Xbox. My controller's dead here. Turn on your controller. Alright, and we're going to test the PC connection now. Now it should pop up fairly fast if it's connected. There it goes. As you can see, it popped up pretty quick, and there's the super huge number. Test 1213, whatever it goes on to be, and see how quick that was. As soon as I click OK, it says it's connected. Now, what people try and do sometimes, I've even done it myself. They'll go to the home, or they'll even go to the picture viewer and try and view it. And sometimes that won't work. You have to be signed in. You have to sign in first to let Windows know which account is going to have which account it's going to be, or which Xbox is going to be using that. So you have to make sure you sign in the first time, and then you can do this all offline. And there you go. Now you are sharing your picture files. You can play slideshow. Ooh, it moves, kinda. You do movies, things like that. And you see it even has my iPhone. I don't even know if it's connected. It shouldn't be. Oh, it is. Alright. Well, my controller just died, so battery's running low. Anyways, so yeah, there you go. You have your media player up and running. Any videos that you put in you got to remember that whenever you put a file for it to load, the file cannot be in your administrative account. See how there's two folders? There's the administrator folder and then the all users. You want it to be under the all users and under your shared documents folder, and that's where you have to share your media. If it's not there and it's under the administrator, and it's under your documents under administrator, it will not share those files over the account because it's on the administrator account, and administrator files, I personally have it locked out. So anything else, any questions you guys got, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer anything. Like I said, I am not any kind of professional technician or anything like that. I actually learned this as I went, researching and finding what I wanted and what I needed. So stay tuned. I'll have plenty more videos for you out there that has to do with Windows XP and Xbox networking. My next one I probably actually want to do is show you how to set this up using a firewall, so that way you do have some security, because right now I'm completely vulnerable to attack. But since the only ports that are forwarded to my computer are the Xbox ports, and I don't really use anything else, I'm actually okay. But as soon as I put remote desktop online, and actually make my computer accessible from remote, I can get hacking requests and have people jump on my network without knowing, or well, I'll know, but it could be kind of late by then. So stay tuned, and I'll show you how to do all that stuff. Once again, you should have fun playing with your Xbox now and your computer off of just one single line. That's my landline. So, all right, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned.